India, aspiring to evolve into a $7 trillion economy by 2030, is witnessing an unprecedented infrastructure renaissance across transportation, energy, urban development, and strategic sectors. This sweeping transformation is set to catalyze economic growth, enhance nationwide connectivity, and elevate India's standing on the global stage. From high-speed rail corridors and renewable energy gigaparks to cutting-edge industrial hubs and coastal logistics zones, 10 flagship megaprojects are at the heart of this national push. These initiatives not only reflect India's vision for sustainable and inclusive growth but also promise to generate millions of jobs, bridge regional disparities, and strengthen long-term economic resilience. Number 1. Mumbai-Ahmedabad High-Speed Rail Corridor. India's flagship high-speed rail initiative covers 508 kilometers between Mumbai and Ahmedabad, leveraging Japanese Shinkansen technology. Trial runs using the E5 trains are slated for FY 2026-27, followed by full commercial operations with the E10 trains by 2030. The journey time will shrink to under 3 hours, marking a leap in intercity mobility. Number 2. Gujarat Hybrid Renewable Energy Park Kutch. Covering 72,600 ha, this hybrid solar wind facility aims for a 30 gigawatts capacity, enough to power 18 million households. Its first 1 gigawatt came online in March 2024, with full commissioning due by 2026. It is pivotal in India's plan to hit 500 gigawatts of non-fossil power by 2030. Number 3. Reliance Dhirubhai Ambani Green Energy Giga Complex. Reliance is investing 75,000 crore rupees in Jamnagar for an integrated green energy ecosystem, solar modules, battery cells, electrolyzers, and fuel cells, targeting a 100 gigawatt-hours annual production by 2030. Number 4. Bharatmala Pariyojana. This national highway initiative encompasses 83,000 plus kilometers of roads, economic corridors, feeder routes, and strategic connectors. It forms the backbone of India's freight logistics transformation. Number 5. Chennai-Bangalore Industrial Corridor and Expressway. Powered by Japan International Cooperation Agency and National Industrial Corridor Development Corporation, this industrial corridor and dedicated expressway freight rail corridor will connect Chennai, Bangalore, and intermediate nodes. The expressway's first section opened in December 2024, with full functionality expected by August 2025. Number 6. Vadhavan Deep Sea Port and Sagarmala. Under the Sagarmala initiative, India is deepening port-led development. The 76,200 crore rupees Vadhavan port in Maharashtra is a keystone in this plan, set to bolster maritime logistics and global competitiveness by 2030. Number 7. Kanpur EV Manufacturing Park. The 500-acre EV park costing 700 crore rupees will be established along the freight corridor. Slated for 2025 rollout, it will produce motors, batteries, lithium cells, and power electronics, fostering a national EV supply ecosystem. Number 8. Arunachal Pradesh Hydropower Projects. With 1 lakh rupees crore in investment, the state is adding 18,000 megawatts via large plants like Lower Subansiri, 2,000 megawatts, and Dibang, 2,880 megawatts. These projects strengthen regional energy security and hydropower capacity. Number 9. Great Nicobar Island Strategic Development. A 75,000 crore rupees multi-decade plan includes a deep-sea port, a greenfield airport, coastal smart cities, and power infrastructure. Serving India's strategic interests in the Indo-Pacific, it's slated for phased completion by 2030. And finally, number 10, Smart Industrial Cities under NICDC. National Industrial Corridor Development is building 11 industrial corridors and 12 smart nodes, backed by 28,602 crore rupees to promote manufacturing, IT, MSMEs, and urban equity. India's bold investment in these 10 mega projects, totaling several trillion rupees, spans seamless transportation, bullet trains and expressways, clean energy production, massive renewable and hydro projects, cutting-edge manufacturing, EVs and green energy gigafactories, and strategic infrastructure, ports, islands, industrial corridors. They promise to create millions of direct and indirect jobs, narrow regional disparities, and lay the foundation for a greener, more interconnected, and economically resilient India. Execution challenges such as land acquisition, environmental regulation, and coordination remain significant. Yet with clear timelines, international partnerships, and focused policy support, these initiatives are likely to materialize. By 2030, India is set not just to grow, but to be reborn as a global infrastructure powerhouse, driven by innovation, inclusivity, and sustainability.